welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Penny Cruz. Here I will make mayonnaise homemade. I will use 2 eggs, but I only use the white one. I remove already the yellow one. And I use salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and lemon juice. And of course, cooking oil, half glass only. In the bowl, I put white egg wash. Then I put the sugar. Then I put the salt. And then I put lemon juice. Then I start beating this until it comes thick. As you see, I beat this until it thickens by hand, not by machine. And gradually, I put little oil. Then continue beating. Repeat every time. Put the oil until it finishes. Until we get the fine thick. Continue beating our mayonnaise until thicken. It is okay, guys. Our mayonnaise done. See, our homemade mayonnaise done. It's too much shiny. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Penny Cruz again. Thank you very much. May God bless us.